Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. So happy you're here. I'm Laura if you're new. This is Zena trying her darndest to get as far out of camera view as possible, but I got her in. This is Wyatt, who is so ready for a nap. I don't even know if you can see his cute little face. There he is. I hope you stick around. We do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. So please hit that subscribe and hang out with us. For today, my Your Bijoux box is here. This is October's collection. Check out the pretty packaging it came in. Love this. All right, we're gonna dig right into this because I am super excited. I feel like the theme might be in the packaging. Do you think? If you have not heard of Your Bijoux Box, this is a jewelry subscription. Comes every month. You always get 3 pieces of jewelry plus a bonus item. And, oh, I love this already. This is so cool. You do get to customize whether or not you want earrings or not. So if you do not have pierced ears, you can opt out of that. And you get to choose between 18 karat gold plated sterling silver or sterling silver plated. So you can get gold or silver. All right, let's dig right in. I do have a discount code for you, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Let's get to my box. So the Your Bijoux collections always come in this beautiful box. How pretty is that? And it is a little drawer, and you could stack these. So I love that. There is always a theme. This says Bloom Baby Bloom. And this, it says the October collection is the sunflower collection. 18 karat gold or sterling silver plating designed by me for you. So 18 karat gold or sterling silver plating. Making sure I'm saying that right. Shayna is the curator, inspiration, designer of Your Bijoux Box. And she says on the card here, when I was young, my family moved to Minnesota briefly, and this was my first experience with a sunflower field. I was amazed. They were so beautiful, giant sunflowers as far as the eye could see and always moving toward the sun. They made a big impression on me, and I have loved them ever since. I hope this collection gives you the same vibes. All right, let's dig right in. Now, I already can see the bonus item. It was wrapped around the box, and it is this beautiful scarf by David Young. Look at the pretty colors in this. Love that little bit of pink running through it. Can you see that? And then the tans, which are almost a little bit golden. And then there's black and white. So that is so pretty. And this is a pretty big one. Let me see if it tells me the dimensions on this. And it actually gives you some ideas of how to wear this. So here's one idea. And then a couple more. So it's big enough that you could wear it as a wrap or as a scarf. So this looks really big to me. Let me see if it has the tag. It tells me. It doesn't tell me how big it is. All right, we're gonna open it up and see because it looks pretty nice here. And luckily I have black on today. So I think that it's gonna go pretty well with what I have on. Here we go. You can see how big it is. So it's like a square, right? So I think that I would probably fold it diagonally if I was going to wear it as a wrap then. So let's do that and see what that looks like. I'm going to be playing with this for a little bit because it's a really nice size. All right, let's try this so I can show you guys what this looks like. Yeah, this is pretty. It's a pretty nice size. So you could definitely wear this as a wrap. If you didn't want to mess with it and keep it on, you could just tie it right behind you or use a little hair tie. And you can put, I'm going to do that for you while I'm just doing the rest of the unboxing because I want to show you this is a nice little easy way to make this a little wrap and not worry about it coming off. So then you've created this nice little wrap for yourself. Isn't that cute? And I just tied it down below And then you have a nice little wrap and you don't have to worry about it moving. And then you could also wear this as a scarf. We'll play with it in just a minute, but I really want to see what's inside my box. I want to see the jewelry. Let me see her card. Did it tell me which? I'm so busy trying stuff on. I have stuff going everywhere. The bonus item, it says, what better accessory for fall than a spice colored buffalo plaid scarf? This one is warm and cozy with all the fall vibes. So that's what she says about it. Okay. Then I have my little pouch here. And I actually have on Your Bijoux Box jewelry today. This was the fun freshwater pearl collection from her special summer box that you could get. Love this collection. And this has the awesome little magnet clasp. Love. All right, so let's dig in here and see what is in my little jewelry pouch. And her jewelry pouches are so adorable. I feel like she always has all the extras between the box, the bonus item, and the little velvet pouch. Here's how pretty it is. Okay, so this is a pretty, pretty gold set. I'm going to start with this necklace because it looks gorgeous. And it does look like sunflowers. And she always does the slider clasp, which I love. So check this out. So there's the necklace. And then here is the clasp. So it is a slider to make it smaller or shorter or longer. How much do you love that? Love, right? Love that. All right, so let's slip this on. And then you can just adjust the slider in the back to whatever length you want it. And how pretty is that? So pretty. Okay, there's more. Earrings. These are matching little sunflower dangle earrings. So pretty. That is so pretty. Let me slip these on and take off my freshwater pearls. Don't you love these little pearls? They're so cute. I love a dangle. Dangle earrings are my favorite. What do you think? So cute. That's pretty. And I have one more item. I'm going to read all three of them at once. So I have one more item, and this is the ring. So they all match. So pretty. The ring is adjustable. All right, so here's all three. All right, so it is the sunflower necklace, a constant reminder to keep your face in the sun. Wear with a fall colored dress or a white t-shirt, blue jeans, and a pair of simple kids. Don't forget to swing the buffalo plaid scarf over your shoulder or around your neck. So simple and chic. Designed with a slider closure for perfect placement and ease of use. The sunflower earrings, twinkly sunflower with pop against your locks, lightweight while still making a statement. Add a pumpkin spice latte for a full fall immersion. And the sunflower ring, you will smell every time you look down at your finger at this cubic zirconia encrusted sunflower ring, adjustable to wear on any finger. So this has a $200 value for the entire collection. The price is $49.99, so that's the monthly price. This is a monthly subscription. You do get the items to keep, $49.99 a month. So what do you think? I think it's adorable. I really like all three pieces, and I'm loving this scarf. So you could also wear this scarf as a scarf. So, like, you know, actually the way they showed it was this way, right? In the picture, you can tuck that under, and you can still wear it so that you can see the necklace. I like that, and you know, it's not too close to my neck. We can get rid of the tag. We can take care of that. But is that not beautiful? And I have black on. It looks really nice against the black. But lots of different ways to wear this. One of my favorite ways is like to fold it in half and then bring it through. I have to wrap this up a little bit better. But to fold it in half and then bring the end through. Just like that. And then you just have to, that's if you want it a little bit closer around your neck for warmth, and then you just want to bring up this necklace a little bit more in the back so that you'd be able to see it like that. And then you could also double wrap it if you don't mind things tighter around your neck. There's lots of different ways you could obviously wear this. So pretty. I loved all of it. All right, so if you'd like to give Your Bijoux Box a try and you haven't yet, I do have a discount for you. It is FREEHAPPY. If you sign up and use that discount FREEHAPPY, you will get a free piece of jewelry in your first box. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think of all these pieces. How fun are they, right? How fun. I love this. They all do go so well together. So many ways to wear it. You could also wear this as a shawl and then belt it, like a red dress I have on today, wear the belt on the outside of the wrap. So many ways to wear the scarf, right? I think it's so pretty. You know me and things close to my neck, I'm always pulling on them, playing with them. I do kind of like it like this, just enough. That's pretty. All right. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Such a pretty, pretty collection. I'll put all the information for Your Bijoux Box down below. Share your thoughts. That's my favorite part about bringing you these videos. Would love you hit that like if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe before you go. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time. Bye, everybody.